Thank you for having me. I'm Chiara. I direct the Heritage Asset Restoration in Jeddah Historic District. I was here to talk about how we manage and balance the modern and needs in a historic district development with the heritage component. I think we can take this exercise as an example, first of all, of sustainability and how we integrate human-centric design and a city that has been designed around the needs of the people rather than cars, a walkable city, a livable city, and then transfer it, what we learned from the past, into the modern concept of urbanism. But first of all, regenerating what we already have. I think it's been an amazing experience speaking here. It was my first time. A good opportunity to meet other professionals in the fields, but also people interested to participate in the activity, participate in the discussion. So really well done.